Hello crew and welcome back to your garage, the cruise garage. Today we have, got far away, a small car, sporty car, the Jaguar XE. We're gonna go have a look at the car. We're gonna go for a test drive and I would give you my opinion and give me your opinion in the comment. I hope you'll like it. Let's start with the engine. It's a V6 engine with a supercharged, which makes an output of a 340 brake horsepower with 332 foot-pounds of torque. This car weighs 1721 kilogram or 3,795 pounds. So power to weight ratio 0.198 horsepower to every kilogram. This power would push this vehicle from 0 to 60 miles or from 0 to 100 kilometers in around 5 seconds or 5.1 seconds to be exact. It's a powerful car, small car. 4 different modes for driving: rain and snow, eco mode, regular mode, and then performance mode, or it's called dynamic mode, I believe. I rather, when I'm moving slow like in a city or something, I would rather stick with the eco mode instead of the regular, because the gearbox shifting in the eco mode, it's more smoother. I don't like the pedal, like the gas pedal. It's a little bit heavy in the eco mode, but it's not too bad. On the rain or the snow mode, it becomes like a big elephant. Like it feels like an elephant, doesn't want to move. It has the start stop ignition or button to save some gas, the auto start stop. I love how this car drives. It's an all-wheel drive. It's kind of smart. You feel like it's balanced really well. Leather quality, the steering leather is not bad, it's nice. Seats are, I would say, okay, not even okay, like just barely okay. Like the dash, it's like, no, it's like plastic. It's like very cheap. The buttons, that is like an upgrade. You can upgrade the screen from almost 8-inch, I think it's 8 inches, to 10.2 or 10.7 inches, which is a touch screen instead of buttons on touch, so it's like a wider screen. Also, you can upgrade the speedometers in front of you, the cluster, to a full screen, which I think it's worth it. It's a better thing to have. Paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Let's go to regular mode. So regular mode instead of eco mode, you would feel the car is lighter. Wanna go, holds the gears a little bit longer. By the way, it has an 8-speed gearbox, and it goes to white instead of blue. Let me double check. No, actually, it's white in all cases, unless you go to dynamic mode. It goes to red, and then the car is much. It wants to go. It's like a racing mode, so holds the gears much longer. Wanna go faster. Gas pedal, it's very light, or lighter, not very light. I love the exhaust sound of this car. Let me know what do you think about it. information in front of me. Fuel mileage, kilometers, you know, like basic stuff. You can play a little bit, has a few things to play around with. Backup camera in this car, you can get or you can upgrade to 360 cameras. Parking sensors, connectivity to your phone, media, navigation, and then you have you can watch the all-wheel drive system, how it's dealing. Engages front wheels, goes off to rear wheel. Has a few nice things. Trunk capacity 450 liters. Fuel consumption, city 11.8 liters to every 100 kilometers, highway 8.2 liters to every 100 kilometers, combined estimation of course 10.2 liters to every 100 kilometers. Fuel tank capacity, it's 63 liters. Front seats have the option of the heating option. You can access that from the screen. 3 modes, 3, 2, 1, or off. Steering wheel has also a heating option by a button on the steering wheel, on and off. Side mirrors are automatic by pressing both buttons, right and left buttons would close. Press it again with open. And then the price of the XE Premium in Vancouver, starting price $43,900 Canadian dollars, plus taxes and other documentation fees. Of course, it depends on what engine you pick and what options you have. I hope you like this episode. If you did, please share, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.